Gang shit, don't know Lil False X. Don't know, we don't play.
On the beat, don't know we don't take violation.
Gang. Don't know how that go. Yeah. Up say shit they don't mean. I got a Glock dog extension with the B. We had the F and then we was scoring when the us didn't know we Michael Jordan had the AK. I didn't even know it was from foreign. Blow the chopper at his feet. Ain't gon' miss the hit. If a pussy nigga say so, he will get hit. Glock 45 your dog, but I love the switch. If the enemy run out, then we bust in the blade. 223 a grenade. Let me squeeze that M&A right to the flipping face. A banana clipper, AK, a 40, a B. Boy try to run up, so we dead on the scene, yo dog. This ain't no chief thing. My girl in the top farm, he try to run away, yo dog. But this clip long, this 17 up. Hollow tips, they favorite King Kong. If the enemy try to run up, then they all gone. Yo stone when I beat the Glock with the Teflon. He try to run away, yo dog. We breaking all bones. 17 up in this clip, dog won't send him home. The ops talking shit, yo dog with their own bone. It's Lil False X, you better watch when the Mexicans spray. Boy try to run away because his whole team gay. Last nigga try to run upon, we rise the Draco and nobody alive when the cool ain't get. Yo, one thing about us, we don't miss. FNS score your hit and gon' bust in your shit. If you dissing on us, then the ops getting hit. 223 with the clip, I will max out that shit. Mac 10 and Uzi, we got a lot. On they block. Done know, don't let me draw for the sword or the Glock. Couple ratchets to make the ops. Oh shit, they now shouting me, bro. Yo, you wanna hop on this beat?
Walked up my face, he acting like he didn't even know me. But used to jack cars, yeah, that nigga was my homie. But everything changed when he killed my nigga Tommy. Yeah, he needs to die, yeah, he really needs to die. He could have killed me, yeah, he know he had a chance. This is why I don't go with full guns in my pants. Hit him in the shit, I think he need a transplant. Then the plan, fuck his bitch, said she love the eggplant. I don't know him. I don't know him. He came me off the sticks. What made a nigga switch? Girl be sucking on my dick, I be sucking on her taste. My eyes rank wide, Venus on her door spit. But I forgot, a bitch will always be a bitch. I do not understand. He claimed he was a man, forgot I fuck your mom on the nightstand. That nigga is a bitch, that nigga is a snitch. Should've known that nigga would have switched. I don't know him. I don't know him.
Don't know, bro. We only do certified gang shit, man. Don't know. Big up the producer, big up XENOPHON, big up Booty Guy, big up 1, 2, 3.